Hello guys, I'm here from SmartThings and I'm here to show you how the smart lock works. Okay, follow me, let's unbox it. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so this is a smart lock. It has 5 basic features which are you can use a Face ID to unlock, you can use a finger to unlock, you can do a remote unlock from your phone, you can use a card, you can use a physical key here, you can also use a password code. So let's get to the video. All right, so there we have it. So I've connected it now. So if you can see, yeah, as fingerprints. Then we can use the card here to use and unlock it. Let me get a card for you guys. See, like this. So basically, there's your card here. You can see it's unlocked. Yeah, that's a card. All right. Okay. So what else? You have the physical key, which you could use in case your battery gets low and you don't know about it. And maybe you're stuck outside, so you want to like enter into your apartment. Let's see how the key works. So, physical key. All right. So guys, here's the key. So you put the key here. Then when you turn, the lock's here.